Hello everyone and welcome to a premium set. So we've got the brand new Exotic Envy set from Hot Wheels, which is really cool. Up here we have near enough a full set apart from obviously the chase car. The chase car being a black version of the Lamborghini here. I'll put a picture of it up on screen. Definitely keep your eyes peeled for that one because it's going for stupid amounts of money on the internet, as they always do. But yes, let's get on with the cars in the set. This is really awesome. So we've got a couple to open up down here. Yes, I did a little bit of a sneaky thing and bought a couple extra. But this time, for the first time in quite a while, the Smith's Toys I got these from actually had lots of them on the shelves rather than just having a couple of sets. And yeah, it was quite a good haul. But yeah, let's waste no time and get on with the cars. So number one is the Alfa Romeo 33 Strada, or Stradale, I'm not sure how to say that really. This is really nice actually, really nice. I like the yellow with the white front and the stripes on the side. Pretty cool looking wheels on this one as well. Zoom in a little bit so you get a look at the car. Lens, headlights, number 33. On the back there, rear light details. Number 33 again. This one has a yellow base, which is pretty cool, like a almost seamless kind of base going into the side of the car there. It's really nice actually. What I should have actually done is probably bought another full set of these. It just gets so expensive so quickly when you're buying premiums. I bought two to open down there, which were two of my favourites from the set. But yeah, I would have loved to have opened the whole set and had a closer look at all the cars, but it's just so expensive to be buying duplicates of everything. Especially as I bought a lot of other stuff on that peg hunt special I did. There'll be a link to that at the end, and I'll say more about it then as well. So number two in the set is the McLaren Speedtail. There's the card art. All these cars sitting in like a city landscape or cityscape background, which is pretty cool. This is really nice. The colour on the card is a little bit different to the car in the actual case, in my opinion. I mean, that does just look more blue. It could just be the lighting, but like, it looks a bit more blue than this one. This is kind of more of a light metallic blue, slightly silvery. Camera's struggling to focus on this one for some reason. I mean, it might even be better to actually turn some lights off. No, it isn't. This is the problem with trying to look at cars inside of cases. This one's been really kind of shaped to the car, and it is just casting a lot of like light reflection lines and stuff. But it is really cool. Really hard to see. It's too cool for our eyes to be allowed to see. Yeah. The only other way is maybe if I can cheat with a torch. There you go, you can actually see some of the details now. Nice front light details. Cool wheels as always. And all the details on the back there as well. It's a shame really. I should have just taken the plunge and just spent the money on another full set. But I wasn't sure what I was going to find in the rest of the peg hunt, so I held off. Car number 3 is the Agera R. I really like this car. One of my favourite supercars. We've got one to open, so we can take a closer look at that in a minute, but here's the card art and all that. Pretty awesome. While we're on the topic of the card, here is the back with all the gubbins, and there are the cars you can get in the set. Now usually I see the last car and think, oh, that'll be the one I can't find. But actually this time I managed to find plenty of all the cars bar the chase. I didn't actually know about the chase. Well, actually I didn't know about this set when I found it. I thought someone had mentioned it, the Exotic Envy set, but I thought it was the last one that they'd released. This is obviously a new variant of this set. So I wasn't expecting or looking for a chase as such, but I went over the peg hunt and I couldn't see any that I'd missed. So that is it's kind of a mixed, it's kind of a good and a bad thing, because there's now a chase. You're more likely to see all the other cars because they're not being scalped. but the chases are being scalped to the high heavens, and you'll never ever see them. And like, people are paying over 150 quid for them on eBay for a £7 retail car. Like, what? Oh, scalping is mad, man. So, car number 4, 94 Bugatti EB110. This is really nice. Nice blue colour. Got the awesome lensed headlights and the front badge. Back there, all nice and detailed as well, as they usually are on these premiums. Nice little number plate that says EB110 SS on the back. Really, really cool retro wheels. Oh, really, really nice. I like those wheels a lot. Yeah, really nice casting, that one. And lastly, for the set, we've got the Lamborghini Essenza SCV12. Oh, this is really nice. Yep, the chase is of this. In my opinion, though, this looks better than the chase. Just this amazing looking green colour. I'm kind of unsure how, just by the fact the chase is rarer, it's worth so much more, because personally, yeah, I think this one's nicer. So, odd. I don't know why they didn't make this one the chase, to be honest. But kind of glad they didn't, though, because I don't see me getting the chase anytime soon, that's for sure. I'm going to keep an eye out, but I don't keep my hopes up for that sort of thing. And there's no way I'm ever paying that much to buy on eBay. It just isn't worth it. The one upside, though, is they don't actually put the number down. It's 0 out of 5, so the set doesn't look incomplete, which is a nice touch. But yeah, I'll talk about chases and all that in another video that I'm going to do. So let's just crack on, because we finally get to open some premiums, and this always feels wrong. But do you know what? I might even try and keep. I might try and slice. Try and open it without ruining the bit of the car, the card art of the car. Well, that's come off lovely, but I can slice out there and keep the image of the car, put it on like a notebook or something. Right. Remove the rest of the little bits of cardboard and get the car out. Oh, well, yes. Koenigsegg R. I do love this car so much. This is awesome. Loving the front light details. Got a little badge down there. Looks so awesome in red. Reminds me of the one in the Need for Speed movie, actually. Little logo, Agera R logo down there. Very, very small. Quite hard to see that on there. Nice fire spoke wheels. They look really awesome. Really detailed as well. On the back, we've got the rear lights all detailed up, which looks nice. This one's got a plastic spoiler on the back, which is a bit of a shame, actually. Would have been nice if they'd made this out of metal as well, but I suppose it would have been a bit more difficult to make. Yeah, that would have actually been really nice with a metal spoiler, now I think about it, because then the colour would also match as well. But still, it's pretty awesome. Can't complain too much. I do really, really like that. Yeah, I'd never had an Agera R in my collection, and as of that day, I suddenly had 3. So yeah, finally got to open one. Oh, I'll show you the base quickly. 2013 Mattel Koenigsegg Agera R, made in Thailand. Yes, that's really, really cool. Right, and we've also got the Lamborghini Essenza. Oh, this, the colour on this looks so cool. Do you know, it probably won't. There you go. No, done it again. This one also has a little bit of plastic insert to protect the car. Very nice. Oh yes. Oh yes, this looks awesome. Just how shiny and like vibrant that green is. So cool. And the contrast of it with the black. Oh. On the front there, we've got the little Lamborghini logo. Oh wow. I think there's a number there. I can't quite tell. It's I can't actually tell what numbers that is saying. 63, I'd guess. It's quite hard to really tell. Lamborghini logo there, little indicator I think or something up there. This one actually has a metal spoiler as well. Little rear light details tucked under there. Full metal spoiler that comes off the back of the car. Like, oh, if you could do that, Hot Wheels, why couldn't you put a little metal one on this? Oh man. That is really nice though, I like that a lot. And there's the base of the car as well. 2021 Mattel Lamborghini. Oh, that is really cool. Nice wheels as well. Do love some premium castings, they are so awesome. And it is a very nice rare treat to get to open some up as well. Well, there we are. What another awesome Hot Wheels premium set. So yeah, so I got this set on a big peg hunting special I did over the weekend where I went to over 10 shops and did nearly 120 odd miles. It was awesome. There were some ups and there was definitely some downs, but we got some awesome stuff, including this set, some awesome matchboxes, and a very nice boxed Hot Wheels premium set, which I shall be taking a look at in the next video. So be sure to check that out. If you want to go check out the big peg hunt, it's definitely a longer video than I normally make, but there's some cool stuff going on in it. So yeah, I'll leave a link to that at the end, and there'll be a link to the premium video as well on the screen. But again, thank you all for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe and all that wonderful stuff. I'm on that road to the 1K now. But yeah, I wish you the best of luck in your peg hunts. Let me know down below what you think of this set. You can try pick it up yourself. And have any of you found the chase yet? If so, hold on to that gem. It's worth a lot of money. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video.